Now, what if I told you that making engaging, professional videos could be as easy as 3 simple steps? You can do it all with this, the power of your phone. Today we're going to tackle the 3 big hurdles that every new video creator faces. Making professional quality videos with no prior experience. Imagine mastering video creation. You can do it as easily as snapping your fingers, and I'm going to show you how. Next, overcoming camera shyness. I felt overwhelmed by cameras and editing software just like you might now. But one simple method changed everything for me, and it's doing the same for my clients, and it will do for you too. And then simplify the entire editing process. This is not what you might think, but I will tell you that I've recently found out that YouTube legend Casey Neistat does this too. So get ready to turn your video creation journey from daunting to doable. Also, have you ever wondered how some content creators seem to have endless flow of content ideas? Well, stick around as we're going to explore some easy techniques so that you never run out of video topics, and I've got a gem for you at the end. I often get asked, how can I make professional videos if I've got no experience? Well, let me tell you about my early videos. They were stable in a holder, the lighting was good, we're using daylight. The audio was okay because we were stuck in a car. However, it was pretty embarrassing. You won't believe how a simple transformation can be from rubbish video to great video until you see it for yourself. What I said in my video was crap. It had nothing to do with my business or providing value, but that was actually the point. It wasn't for anyone else but me, because I was the problem. I was getting in my own way. The video was about 2 old ladies putting out their rubbish, and I'm like, what's the point? I was running a social media agency, this isn't relevant. But then I discovered a system while making that video, and it turned my content around overnight. You see, when we start out, we just have to press record. The hardest bit is actually pressing record. But once you do, and you speak, even if it's about 2 little old ladies putting their rubbish out, the fear is gone. So make sure you press record. Now, a friend of mine always dreaded recording herself. She thought she wasn't camera worthy. One simple routine changed her mind. Are you ready to find out how a 2-minute exercise can make you fall in love with the camera? So let me tell you about Nat, CEO of an education company working within schools. She knew the importance of building a personal brand to leverage against her business. Despite her efforts on social media though, she struggled to make a real impact. And one day, a member of her team actually attended one of my social media courses, and I suggested they start making videos. The idea terrified Nat. But when we sat down together, I introduced her to a simple process. It's the 2-minute daily diary. You'll have heard me talk about it in other videos. This method involved Nat recording short, private videos on her way to work, behind the scenes. It helped her slowly overcome the fear of being on camera. And as she built this daily diary habit, she grew in confidence. She also became better at pressing record without hesitation. The transformation was remarkable. Nat's personal brand did really well. So well that she actually became the operations director in my social media agency. Together we expanded our work into schools, we taught students, and we took the process that I showed Nat and we helped other children and young people overcome the fear of pressing record and really taking action. And it was the action that helps you overcome the fear. This raised her personal brand and paved the way for countless others to do the same as well. And you can too. I'll put a link in the description below where you can access the Courage Before Confidence video program, the one that Nat went through. You'll also get access to the daily diary system and advanced techniques for confidence building that I learned from Tony Robbins. These will help boost your videos and your personal brand and your business in only a few minutes a day. So you've got a simple way to make great videos. What next? When I started, editing took me days. Now I spend no more than an hour on my long form videos, all thanks to a few easy tricks, which I'm going to be using in this video that you're now watching. I'm going to share these quick editing hacks that even beginners can master in no time at all. I learned a crucial tip from a YouTuber named Ed. Ed said, the first few seconds of your video are the most important. They are what grabs attention. Now I focus editing on those first 10 seconds, then the next 30 seconds, and then the next 60 seconds, because that's what grabs the attention. After that, it's just a simple, repeatable framework. And if you want me to make a video on the repeatable system for editing, please just let me know in the comment section below. But here's the big reveal to editing. I shoot my videos in chronological clips, just like the famous YouTuber Casey Neistat. I organise my shots in sequence, regardless of the length of the video. For example, I'll put the hook in one clip, then I'll a question in another clip, put the main content, the body if you like, in longer segments. But this makes it a breeze for editing. It's just stitching all those clips together. I must make sure that the intro is captivating. I do this by adding B-roll, storytelling, and some music for, to hook the viewer in. And I use short transitions to keep the story interesting. Some moving camera work helps too, but most importantly, my own personality, the way I deliver, because remember, people buy from people. But here is a knowledge bomb for you. Viewers come for the content, not the creator initially. So I skip introducing myself at the start, I focus on giving value first, and over time through my stories, viewers, you guys will get to know me. So, plan your content, shoot your clips. Focus on editing the first 10, 30 and 60 seconds and let your personality shine through. Be yourself in the whole video. Follow these steps and you'll find editing less painful and your videos more engaging. You will increase your watch time and viewer retention no matter what social platform you're on, because you need these key metrics to improve your performance on your social media. Now, earlier in this video, I said that the right video topics can transform your engagement and your sales. But there's something else that I've started doing recently. It's had an even bigger impact on my audience engagement and my conversion rates. So check out this deep dive here and I'll show you what it is and how to use it. It will make your next video more engaging and more profitable than ever.